is a Harig 612. This unit can be wired 440 or 220. Currently it is wired 440. This has a 6x12 magnet on it, of course. Down here is your on and off button. You pull it out, that turns it on. Push it in, it turns the spindle off. We're going to be demonstrating. Back the table magnet toward me. Show a test grain. Magnet holds good. You can see the motor sounds really good, even under a load. As you can see, the table moves with ease, both axes. This up here drops your head down. You're going to take a little bit of a bigger bite. You can see the motor is in excellent condition. This does have a pump motor. This unit does come with a grinding wheel. It does not come with a tool to take the wheel off. This one did not come with it. As you can see, the wheel goes up with ease. I'm sorry, the head goes up with ease. Drops too. On the back, there is a plug for a 110 cord. When you're running the machine, this should be plugged in. You can wire this however you want to. You can put a plug on it. You can wire it into a panel box, but this is 110. And what this does, that powers a lube system, which lubes the nut and the screw up here and lubes the ways on both axes. This is our Harig 612 surface grinder.